Spider Light Strike Vehicles, or LSV. Spider Light Strike Vehicle was born for fast hit-and-run raids, scouting missions, special forces support and low-intensity guerrilla warfare. The changing face of warfare has spawned new requirements for vehicles. While there is still an overwhelming requirement to protect troops from mine and roadside bomb attacks using highly armored patrol vehicles, there is also a need for much smaller, lighter, relatively unarmored vehicles to transport small bodies of men over a short range for strike and reconnaissance missions. Details of the Spider Light Strike Vehicle. The first Spider LSV was delivered to Singapore Armed Forces in 1998. It was also showcased at the Singapore Air Show. The Singapore Air Show of versions of this dune buggy type of vehicle have been produced, notably the Blackwater Light Strike Vehicle, US, and the Spider Light Strike Vehicle from Saint Engineering, Saint Kinetics, of Singapore, adopted by the Singaporean Armed Forces. The Spider can carry a number of armament configurations, including various light and heavy machine guns, grenade launchers and cannons, as well as mini UAVs, sensors and surveillance systems. Some of the more common weapons are the CIS 50 12.7mm heavy machine gun, and the Ultimax 100 section automatic weapon. However, the vehicle has been designed more specifically to carry the Super Rapid Advanced Mortar System, SRAMS. SRAMS is a 120mm smoothbore mortar system, modified to make it lighter and produced by Saint Engineering. Spider Light Strike Vehicle Specifications. This vehicle has been designed to be light, fast, powerful, and easily transportable by helicopter. 6 Spiders can fit into one C-130 transport plane. The 4x4 vehicle has tubular space frame chassis allowing a light weight of only 1,600 kg and a maximum payload of 1,200 kg. This small vehicle, 4,500 m long and 2,030 m wide, carries a crew of 3 to 6 men depending upon the armament, and carries a foldable roll cage for protection, 1,900 mm. The foldable roll cage makes the vehicle suitable for various missions including attack, surveillance, reconnaissance, ambulance, and emergency and combat support. The Spider also has the distinction that its rear cabin can be detached and operated by remote control to a range of 500 meters, allowing it to be sent into situations unmanned if required as a decoy. The Spider system has a 3-man crew to operate as an SRAMS crew with 2 personnel riding in the SRAMS-equipped Spider and 1 in the tandem ammunition support vehicle. The vehicle can only carry 6 fits, 120mm rounds for the SRAMS, so the tandem vehicle provides the ammunition, fire rate of 10 rounds a minute with recoil of less than 26 T and a blast diffuser. The SRAMS also has navigation and positioning technology, power gun drives and an integrated automatic fire control system. The Singapore Armed Forces, SAF, have already procured 50 Spider units. Spider Light Strike Vehicle as self-protection and Armour vehicle can be equipped with lightweight capsulized composite armor around the cabin area, as a protection suite against 7.62mm small arms-type fire and grenade fragments. The vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder 2.8L power unit from Peugeot, Euro 3 emission standard, which can develop 130 horsepower at 3,800 revolutions per minute and has a maximum torque of 410 Nm at 1,800 revolutions per minute. Maximum speed on roads varies from 120 km per hour to 130 km per hour, with 80 km per hour for off-road. The Spider has been equipped with a range of refined technology, such as semi-automatic transmission, double-wishbone front suspension with a single shock absorber and trailing arm rear suspension, as well as hydraulic power-assisted steering and power-assisted ABS brakes. The design of the Spider has also stepped outside conventional thinking by introducing the vehicle with an alternative power source for mobility. It can be fitted with a motor generator or MOGEN, which is a hybrid electric generator and motor unit. The vehicle can be operated on electrical power to allow it to move in silent stealth mode when undertaking operations on the front line. This alternative MOGEN unit can also be used to provide backup power as an auxiliary power source if there is a problem with the engine. Additional refinements for the future could include a retractable wheel system, to give the vehicle a lower center of gravity, for better stability and maneuverability at high speeds in off-road operations. Spider orders and deliveries. Spider was selected by the Indian Armed Forces in June 2006. The procurement was finally approved by the Indian Defence Acquisitions Council in July 2008. A contract worth $1 billion for 18 Spider systems was awarded to Rafael in September 2008. The Spider air defense system was inducted into the Indian Air Force, IAF, in 2017. Ministry of Defense selected the Spider system in September 2020 and started the negotiations for the procurement of 4 batteries of the Spider air defense system. An intergovernmental agreement was signed between the two countries for the supply of 4 batteries in October 2021. The missile systems will be manufactured as per the specifications of the Army need. Spider SR Short-Range Surface-to-Air Missile Launcher. The Spider SR short-range system has 360 degrees engagement capability, and the missiles can be launched from the full readiness state in less than 5 seconds from target confirmation. The kill range is from less than 1 km to more than 15 km and at altitudes from a minimum of 20 meters to a maximum of 9,000 meters. The system is capable of multi-target simultaneous engagement and also single, multiple and ripple firing, by day and night and in all weathers. Spider missile system components. The main components of the Spider system are the truck-mounted command and control unit, the missile firing unit with Python 5 and Derby missiles, a field service vehicle and missile supply vehicle. Python 5 and Derby missile launcher modes of operation. The system can launch missiles in 2 modes of operation: lock-on before launch, LOBL, and lock-on after launch, LOAL. The slant launching method, unlike vertical launch, allows LOBL, so the missile's onboard seeker is locked onto the target before launch. The LOBL mode allows the squadron commander to confirm the missile is locked on to the designated target prior to launch. Gives high kill probability against short-range high-maneuvering targets and enables the engagement of designated targets by add-on optical sensors. Spider command and control and mobile firing units. A typical Spider squadron consists of 1 mobile command and control unit, CCU, and 4 mobile firing units, MFU. The CCU and MFUs each have their own built-in power supplies. The system features an automated computer, assisting the operators in the successful completion of hostile target interceptions in intense battlefield environments. The mobile CCU is equipped with a surveillance radar and 2 operator stations. There is a radio data link between the CCU and the 4 MFUs. The CCU combines data from the local surveillance radar and from upper-tier command and control centers up to 100 kilometers away. There is also provision for receiving air situation pictures from other data links. The air situation picture, ASP, is displayed at the operator's workstation in the command center. When the operator decides to launch, an automatic procedure is initiated. The CCU assigns the target to the appropriate launch unit. Truck-mounted command and control unit. The command and control unit is housed in a truck-mounted shelter with a mounted radar, information friend or foe, IFF, interrogator and communication equipment. The VHF/UHF interference-free communication system is for internal squadron communication and to upper-tier command. ELTA-L, M2106 8er 3D surveillance radar. The ELTA-L, M2106 8er 3D surveillance radar can simultaneously track up to 60 targets. The radar has 360 degrees operation and all-weather day and night capability. The radar includes advanced electronic countermeasures, ECCM, for operation in dense hostile electronic warfare environments. Truck-mounted missile launcher. Spider uses a truck-mounted missile firing unit which is equipped with a communication system and fitted with a 360 degrees rotatable, electro-mechanically operated, turret-based launch unit. The Spider SR launch unit carries any combination of 4 Python 5 or Derby missiles. Python 5 missile. The Python 5 missile is Rafael's new very high-agility dogfight air-to-air missile. Python 5 is a development of the Python 4 with a dual-band focal plane array and imaging infrared (IIR) seeker which gives a very wide field of view. Python 5 retains the same airframe, with pitch and yaw control,